simple PN junction diode. Okay, so this can be analyzed by using a simple open circuit. So let us consider it as a by using this graph. Okay, so at x is equals to d0, this line which indicates the junction. Here this is a junction. I am using this in the, so this line will indicate the this depletion region. Okay, so there is no depletion region over here. I am considering it as a, there is no depletion region. So I am considering it as a straight line. This indicates the depletion region. So x is equals to 0, and I am considering this as a only x-axis. There is no negative x-axis and positive x-axis, simple x-axis. Okay, so at the right side this indicates the n-type material. Okay, so here it is an n-type. I am explaining this PN junction simple diode in the form of a graph. Okay, as like a energy band diagram. Okay, so here it is an n-type and here it is a p-type. Okay, so here the majority charge carriers are the electrons. So I am indicating this by n naught. This naught indicates the open circuit, nothing but under equilibrium condition. Okay, so n-type and the electrons are the majority carriers. I am indicating above to this p-type because here we are considering it as a heavily doped n-type material. Okay, and this indicates the majority carriers. Those are nothing but holes in p-type material. This not indicates under equilibrium condition. Okay, so these are the majority carriers for a p-type and n-type material. Okay, if you consider the minority carriers, so this will indicate the NP naught. NP naught is indicates the naught indicates under equilibrium condition. P is the p-type material, N is the electron, minority carriers in the electron. So here the P N naught. So when the minority carriers under the n-type material is nothing but a P N naught. This naught indicates the under equilibrium condition. N indicates the n-type material. P is the minority carriers under holes. Okay, so this indicates under the open circuit PN junction diode, under which these are the minority carrier concentration and these are the majority carrier concentration, and the electrons at the n-type material and the holes at the p-type material as a majority carriers. And we are considering here the n-type is above to this one because here we are considering it as a heavily doped, and the minority carriers are less as compared to the majority carriers because we know that the NP is equals to NS square. So by using this mass action law, we know that as the majority carriers are the more, then the minority carriers should be less. Okay, so here the majority carriers are the less, so the minority carriers are the more by using this mass action law. Okay, so under the open circuit, okay, so I am considering it as a open circuit PN diode. Okay, under this open circuit PN diode, the diode will be like this one. Okay, so after knowing this one, we are now going for the diode under the forward bias, how the minority charge carriers will be affected. Okay, so put above to this one so you can understand easily. Okay, so considering the diode under the forward bias. Okay, so here we are considering a PN diode. So N is an heavily doped and the P is an lightly doped. Okay, heavily doped. Okay, so I am giving this forward bias. Forward bias is nothing but a P is connected to the positive terminal and n-type material is connected to the negative terminal. Okay, so here the positive and here the negative. This is a true connection. Whenever I am giving this connection to this PN diode, then the whatever the holes are there in the p-type material, those are the majority charge carriers. So those are repelled by this positive terminal, and the electrons which are present in n-type material, those are the majority carriers in the n-type material which are repelled by this negative terminal. Because of this repulsion, there is the holes that are present in p-type material will get injected to this n-type material and moves to this negative terminal. Okay, so whatever the electrons present over here, that will be injected into this p type material and moves to this positive terminal, recombine over here and moves to this positive terminal. Okay, they makes a loop and form a flow of current. Okay, due to the majority charge carrier concentration, there is a flow of current. Okay, so there is a repulsion between this positive terminal to p type and the negative terminal to m type. Because of that one, the majority carriers will be injected into this p to n and n to p. Because of that one, there is a loop formation. Okay, so there is a flow of current due to the majority charge carrier concentration. Okay, so now this graph becomes under the forward bias. Okay, so here the n and not, right? So under the steady state, so here that is a steady state. The open circuited, if you consider open circuited, it is a steady state for a n type material, and here it is a steady state for a p type material, pp naught. Okay, so whenever these holes are injected to this n type material, and at the junction, the concentration of the carriers will be more. Okay, so they recombine at the junction only, so the carrier concentration at the junction will be more. Okay, the electron concentration at the junction and the hole concentration at the junction will be more. Okay, and whatever the holes present over in the p type material will injected into the n type material at the junction, it will be more, and it moves away from the junction, it becomes less and decreases exponentially. Okay, as it moves away from this junction, so the carriers that are present in the p type material will get decreased exponentially. In the same way, okay, in the same way, the majority carriers that will be present in a n type material, that will be injected into this p type material at the junction, the concentration will be more. As we move away from the junction, the concentration will be decreases exponentially. Okay, so here it is a okay, so this one is a, so this is a, as consists is solid line for n type, and this is a for p type, exponentially decreases. Okay, so first of all, we are having a majority carriers over here, and those are the holes for a p type material. At the junction, the concentration will be more, and this will be injected into this n type material. Okay, so n side, and now they become a minority carriers in n side. Okay, so the holes are the majority carriers in p type, but whenever these are enter into this n side, they become a minority carriers for a n side. Okay, and in the same way, so electrons are the majority carriers for a n type material, and whenever they are injected into this p type material, they become a minority carrier for the p side. Okay, so this will be indicated by a p. So the holes are the minority carriers for n type material and minority carriers. Okay, so these are the majority carrier at p side, but whenever they are injected into this n side, they become a minority carrier for a. In the same way, this is also an NP. These are the minority carriers for the p side. Those are the majority carriers for n side, which are injected into this p side, becomes a minority carriers. Okay, so this will indicates the. Okay, so you know that this one is a pn naught, and this is a np naught. Okay, so these are the excess of holes that are enter into this p side. So this excess of holes is nothing but a pn minus pn naught will indicate the excess of holes. Okay, np minus np naught will indicate the excess of electrons. Okay, so minority charge carriers, so these are the minority charge carriers, right? Because those are becomes a minority carrier for the different material. Okay, okay, so these are the minority carriers, minority charge carriers. Okay, so holes, excess of holes are nothing but Pn minus Pn naught will indicate the excess of minority carriers. Okay, excess of holes are the excess of holes of minority carriers. Okay, so the excess of electrons, these are the minority carriers only. They are which if you consider this p and n type, those are the majority carrier for this p and n type. Whenever this injected into this p side to n side, they become a minority carriers. Okay, so these are the minority charge carriers, and excess of holes will be indicated by Pn minus Pn naught, and excess of electrons, electron is nothing but a Nb minus Nb naught. Okay, so under the forward bias condition, the graph will be like this one. Okay, so the minority charge carriers will be like this one. Excess of minority carriers will be present in the under the forward bias steady state condition. Okay, in the same way, if we consider the, so this is for a open circuited. Okay, and it is for a forward bias condition. Okay, now we go for a reverse bias condition. I am taking another paper so that you can get it. So now it is considered here only. So a reverse bias condition. I am writing over here.